so good to see you, and it's good to be in front of the camera talking to you. I've been a little under the weather ever since my mom was in the hospital, and I haven't been able to recoup, but doing a video is good, and it lets me connect with you, and it keeps me busy, and I am getting better, but it's a slow process. But there's so many things I want to show you, or I want to talk to you about. First is this foundation that I'm wearing. I have never seen anybody show this on YouTube. Maybe you have, but I haven't. It's by Cinema Secrets. Now, Cinema Secrets makes the brush cleaner, but this is foundation. And I have two shades, and it doesn't say what the shade is, but I will put the links down for everything below. And this is the color that I'm wearing, and this is what I would use for contour. So let me show you. First of all, it's creamy, creamy, creamy smooth and full coverage. Look at that. And I got a small one of the darker color. Look at that. It's perfect. Great contour color, great contour. So it's fun to put on. It goes on creamy, and it covers, and it just makes you feel good. It's really a nice foundation. I will put links for this down below. Now, I also have been wearing my favorite, which is the Max Factor Skin Luminizer. I wear the sand color, but I purchased Soft Honey just because I wanted a little darker, but it turned out it's too dark, and I don't want to return it, so I use the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer. You put one pump, and then you put a pea size of this, and then you take your brush and you mix it. It's perfect. Now, if it's too light for you, then you put the dark, it's called olive, and this one is called white. These are fabulous. I stand by both of these. I'm telling you, girls, this does not change the integrity of your foundation. It doesn't change anything about the quality. It just changes the color. Also, today I'm wearing Ceviche Hair Shadow Powder. Look how cute with this little ribbon. And it pops open, and then underneath you have a squishy sponge that you dab in it, and then you just dab all around. Boop, 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 boop. It's perfect. It's perfect. And it lasts till you wash it off. So, okay. I have a ton of stuff to show you. Oh, this lotion. This is my bedroom hand lotion. I wanted something that I could put next to my bed that I could easily get access to. I just have to pump it, and I've got the lotion. It smells amazing, and I found it so cheap, because first, these 12 ounces I found were more than $20, but I found it so cheap. I'll put the link below for that too. It's by Public Goods Lotion. It says it's all good, and this is sulfate-free, vegan-friendly, paraben-free, gluten-free, natural ingredients, and cruelty-free. And it smells divine, let me tell you. Whew, it's like you're in one of those expensive spa stores. Oh yeah, it's just good. Oh, I love it. I love it. And now I can bring it down because I've been keeping it up here so I could show you. I just love it, and I have to share that. So another thing that I bought is this Vanity mirror light. Now you could use this for your mirrors. You could use this for your televisions, and that's what I used it for. I put these all around my TV. Here's the switch, and all you do is touch it, tap it, slide it. Here you go. Watch. Off. It is so cute. I could turn it on and off. When I'm watching TV, I could dim it. Now, I have gone through about 4 different companies trying their lights, and I've had to return all of them. They were cheap, they didn't function right, they didn't work good. This one is the best. And it comes in this box. In each bulb is wrapped in styrofoam. And then behind each bulb, it's already got the adhesive on it. All you do is peel it off and stick it onto your surface. It just has to be a flat surface. But very inexpensive. Cheap alert. You're gonna love this. It's a good gift for somebody too. A teenager or any age. Because look at me. I love it. Another thing I bought was this cap rack. I always wear a hat in California, like I did in Nevada. And when it's blaring sun out, I do not want to deplete my collagen. And in fact, when you wear a mask, you really protect your jowls from collagen breakdown. And this is the part that I care about. This is the part of the whole body. I don't care if my knees are sagging, my arms are swaying, my hoods are heavy, my forehead's wrinkled. This is the part. So, wear your mask. Just wear your mask underneath, like that. There you go. When you're out, and you have to wear a mask, and then when you don't have to wear a mask, you put it down. So, even when you're driving in the car, you keep it down like that, and you're protected, right? Okay, this is a cap rack. This is an 18 hat cap rack, but I put about 3 times the amount on mine because this is how it looks. You see the top orange hat? It's just hanging on a little tab that you pull out. I can hang 3 hats on that. Since I live where the sun is always shining, I have to wear a hat. I have to wear a hat. I don't want age spots. I don't want more wrinkles. I don't want more sagging. So a hat and a mask, I'm good. So let me show you a clip of this and you can see it's from the top of the door to the bottom of the door. There's no tools required. It's easy installation. All you do is hook it up, pull it down, and hook it onto the bottom of the door. So it gets hooked up to the door, and then you pull it down, it gets hooked on the bottom. That's it. It's all ready. I put almost my whole hat collection on it. I love it. To go, and I'm going to make another video for next week. But my mom is doing great, and my sister is, thank God, bless her. We're so grateful for her, what she's doing with my mother. It's just incredible. My mom's so happy to be living with family. She has her own room, her own bathroom, her own balcony, and she just loves it. And my sister caters to everything, to her needs. And when I go there with my kids, we have a ball. We give my sister a break so she could go out for a few hours, and we have a ball. We dance, we cook, we sing. I'm singing on the make-believe stage. I'm give my mother the ukulele. We're playing. Also, she wants to dance, so she dances with us. We all dance with her, and she's just so happy to do that. And she gets up to walk, to check the lights, to check the door, to check her bedroom, to check where her purse is. I mean, she's constantly on the go, constantly. I mean, we're laid out, exhausted, and she's still constantly on the go. We just have a really good time with her. And I try to record a lot of the things, but I'm going to show you a few clips, and then I'm going to go, and I will see you all in my next video. Remember, I love you so much. Thank you for the prayers for my mom. Remember, I am praying for you. I love you all. Here's the clips.